Go.
Alright, so for this problem, it's a business application. So the problem says Tiger Wood is planning a new line of golf shirts. For the first year, the fixed cost for setting up the production line is $14,000. The variable cost for each shirt is $18. The revenue for each shirt will be $29 per shirt. So to start off, we have to find the cost function. Now the cost will include the fixed cost, so that's $14,000, and how much it costs for each shirt, which is 18. We don't know how many shirts we're going to make, so that'll be X. X equals the number of shirts. And so we set up as a function, so cost will be C of X is equal to 18X plus 14,000. And then next up is find the revenue. And the revenue is just how much money you make from what you sell. So we don't know how many shirts we're going to sell, but we know how much we price them at, which is $29. So the revenue function will be R of X is equal to 29X. And profit, it's how much money you actually make after creating and selling the shirts. So that would mean you'd have to subtract the cost from the revenue. So the general profit function is P is equal to R of X minus C of X. And if you plug in the functions, it should equal P is equal to 29X minus parentheses 18X plus 14,000. And that should come out to 29X minus 18X. Make sure you carry the negative, so it's minus 14,000. And then 11X minus 14,000. So that's your profit. And so for this particular problem, they're asking how many shirts are needed to break even. And break-even point is where the profit and the revenue are equal. So you must set the cost and the revenue equal to each other. So 18X plus 14,000 is equal to 29X. And then 11X is equal to 14,000. And from that, the amount of the answer comes out to a decimal, 1272.72. But because we're dealing with shirts, you need to know the exact number of shirts. So you round it up to X is equal to 1273. So that's how many shirts you need to break even. And to find the amount of money you need to break even, you plug it into either the revenue or the profit function. So in this case, I'll plug it into the revenue. So R of X, actually R of 1272.72 is equal to 29 times 1272.72. And your answer should come out to 36,908.96, which you can also round up to 36,909. And that's how much money is needed to break even. So B, E. And that's a business application.